Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix connection issues with your Sennheiser CX Plus. So take a look, they are available right here, but when I try to connect them, I will get the notification that they cannot communicate with my smartphone. As you can see right now, there's no even this notification, so I'm unable to connect them. And to fix that, you can simply go back from the Bluetooth settings, then turn it off for a few seconds on your phone, and then turn it on back. Next, you have to put both earbuds inside the case, close it, and also after a few seconds, just open. Right now, remove both earbuds, then click and hold right here on these touchpads, and wait until the indicators starts blinking blue and red, just like that. Right now, we have to release that touchpads, and then go on your phone to pair new device, select them from the list, accept pairing. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and when you cannot hear sound from the left and the right, basically when they are not synchronized, you have to grab them and put back to this charging case, and do not close this cover, and you have to wait for like 20 seconds until they simply synchronize. So let's do this right now. I'm gonna clear also this touchpad because there is some fingerprints. And right now from we have to wait for like that 20 seconds, so yeah, be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, and right now we can remove them. And right now when they are connected, they are synchronized. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.